What's up, world? It's JimmyIrvin. Today we're gonna make a happy trap beat. Start off with a tempo of around 150. Start off with a piano, soft grand piano. Bring it lower. Yeah. So let's see. Cool. I'm gonna strum them right now. I'm gonna use Alt S if you're on Windows. Then I'm gonna grab these two lower notes. Push Control C and Control V. Now Control down to move them down an octave. I'm gonna do that twice. Shift left to bring it back to the beginning. Cool. Copy this. Control A. Control B. Some little notes in between. Alright, that's cool. Let's grab another instrument. I think I'm gonna go with strings. I like using strings. No, I'm gonna go with a pad. I love strings though, but I'm gonna go with a pad. Probably use strings for my counter melody. 5, 6. Alright, now I'm gonna do a counter melody with the strings. Change that. Now, duplicate it and then change it at the end. So for the drums, hi-hat of course, I'm gonna fill it each 2 steps. Grab a clap for this one. We can use this. I'm gonna get a snare for the background. Make this one lower. With the snare, let me grab a sound effect. One shots. Yeah, I'm gonna use a stomp. Okay. always remember, right click this and go to cut itself, because if not, it's gonna be bad. And then you want to click on this, left click this, and take this off, where it's gonna keep repeating, and you're gonna be mad. All right, so go along with the chords. Alright, so boom, boom. Okay, so now let me add some extra notes. So now, highlight all these, go to the mixer, make sure you got the first insert, not the master, this insert. Right click, go to this, and then go to this, or you can just put Shift, Control, and L, boom. Now it separated all your sounds. Now you can manipulate them separately. So I'm gonna do a baby EQ on this, so that means I'm not really gonna do much. I'm gonna kind of push this one more in the background though, so a little bit to the left, separate it. I'm gonna throw secret sauce on this. 75%. Get an EQ. Kind of push this back a little bit. See, now if you hear it, you can tell like the piano stands out more, and these are kind of just supporting it. Watch before, after. Okay. On all the drums, let's start off with this one first. This stomp. I'm gonna take out some of that low end. Okay, that's cool. For the hi-hat and snare, I'm gonna just boost up the highs a little bit so it sounds a little bit crisp. Turn up the clap, turn it up on the clap also. 808, I'm gonna just leave it. If it sounds crazy on the master, then I'll probably go back and EQ it. So now, starting off with the 808, I'm gonna do -15 so I can have headroom on the master. Put it in mono. Bring in the clap. Just have it somewhere under the 808. But listen. Just listen. Not too high. Goes to the right. Bring in the hi-hat. Bring in the stomp. If you want to see this poor man's master, just view the other video that I just posted, and you'll see what I did.